As per our really current Cardano cost forecast, the worth of Cardano will expanded by 244.23%, coming to $1.37 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling essentially is negative, while the apprehension and covetousness record is perusing 20.03, which by and large means genuinely intense trepidation. Our Cardano conjecture: it's dangerous to sell Cardano at this moment. On February 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while kind of different pointers flagged negative signs, showing a very broad negative feeling among Cardano cost forecasts. See the specific Cardano cost forecast beneath. You will, in a real sense, know how essentially much Cardano is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, Cardano in a real sense has expanded by 6.30% in an unpretentious manner. Because of this, we can in a real sense get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, in an unobtrusive way. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Cardano expanded by 112.74% and came to approach around 81 cents. Right now, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the apprehension and veracity record in a real sense shows 20.03 intense feelings of trepidation. As indicated by our figure, this isn't the perfect opportunity to sell Cardano. Presently, Cardano sort of is exchanging beneath the 200 genuinely straightforward moving normal, which generally is genuinely huge. For the essentially most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA generally has shown a Cardano selling fundamentally signal. The cost of Cardano for the most part is right now running underneath the 50-day basic moving truly normal SMA, and it for the most part shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 38 cents toward the finish of December, which is genuinely critical. By December 2024, Cardano's transient 50-day SMA shows a 37 cent. The fundamentally relative strength list RSI force oscillator is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70. RS Cardano ADA value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Cardano came to 40 cents when it essentially dipped under 24 cents. Interestingly, since January 2021, which is very huge, as indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Cardano in every way that really matters is headed to passing the 84 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 84 cents, it might explicitly break its sign of $3.10 in reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Cardano will break its past all-time, most certainly high of $3.10 and hold somewhere in the range of 82 cents and 84 cents soon, which is genuinely critical. At this point, on 24 February 2023, Cardano is exchanging at 38 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume truly is around 261.72 M, and it makes number 7 money in the entire crypto world. Cardano value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Cardano can get through the 99 cents obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, or so they thought. The least Cardano cost will by and large be between 82 cents to 99 cents, and the most sort of possible Cardano cost will basically be consistent at around 91 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite Cardano's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its earth-hostile energy use, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Cardano will reach 99 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value expectation 2025. By 2024, market investigators and specialists foresee that ADA will begin the year at $1.13 and exchange around $1.37, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per their forecasts, this would be incredibly high contrasted with truly a year ago. This in every practical sense is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Amazingly, Cardano value expectation 2026 there for the most part is a decent opportunity that Cardano 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $1.74 level, which is genuinely critical. Cardano explicitly is basically anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking kind of high of $1.60 or $1.74 in 2026. and it could generally be the time of Cardano, which is genuinely critical. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. Cardano Value Expectation, or ADA, will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it can possibly accomplish new highs. As far as sticker costs and market cap, Cardano's cost is supposed to outperform $1.74 in 2027. It sort of has been anticipated that Cardano will truly arrive at the genuinely most extreme cost of $1.74, and the truly least cost is supposed to be around $1.47 in the following a long time from 2027. Cardano Gauge 2028. Market examiners and specialists say that Cardano Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Cardano, truly is supposed to cross a value level of $1.98 in 2028 in a significant manner. In the interim, Cardano is supposed to arrive at a kind of least cost of $1.82 this year. The truly greatest cost may sort of reach $2.05. Cardano, ADA, Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Cardano Value Expectation and Specialized Examination foresee that the expense of Cardano will reach $2.80, and the cost of ADA ought to reach $2.80 before the year is over. Also, ADA can especially reach up to $2.58 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring critical years for Cardano development, which is very huge. ADA Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Cardano Value Forecast basically are supposed to cross the $3.97 especially normal cost level, as per Cardano conjecture and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano's base cost is supposed to be $3.73 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, ADA can arrive at an especially greatest value level of $4. Toward the finish of 2030, Cardano will have a typical cost of $4. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. Cardano Value Forecast 2031. Cardano cost is assessed to explicitly reach $5.26 by 2031, at least, which sort of is genuinely critical. With an in every practical sense normal exchanging cost of $5.40 all through 2031, Cardano's worth could come to $5.49 at its most elevated in a significant manner. The experts generally anticipate that the truly greatest cost should in a real sense exchange around $5.40. Cardano Figure 2032. Out of 2032, Cardano will attempt to arrive at the least degree of $7.17. It might especially attempt to explicitly get the greatest and really next top level of $7.42, with the typical gauge cost of $7.31. It might break the past essentially high and fundamentally proceed to its certainly next level in an unobtrusive manner. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we foresee it will what will be the least cost of Cardano in future, up to 84 cents United States